Aloha! Welcome to Curlyography. My name is Lola. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this look, but more importantly, the detangling method I used that I now swear by. If you have a type 4 hair like mine that's also dry, try this out. You might like it, and it might just save your hair. Like, I'm pretty sure it's going to save mine. Now that I've decided to record these videos regularly, there's suddenly people outside all the time, right outside my window, landscaping. So if you hear noises, that's what that is. The purpose of this video is to show you all this new pre-poo method I learned recently. I will never go back. I'm so excited to share this with you, and I'll also link below the video that introduced me to it, Natasha Camille. She's also a natural hair YouTuber. I didn't do the pre-poo before, and it's like changed my life. This is only the second time I'm doing it, but I can already tell it's a game changer. Ideally, I'll be washing my hair every 2 to 3 days, but this past week and the week prior, I've waited several days just out of laziness. In the past, I didn't really use product, but now that I'm putting oils on my scalp, I'm gonna need to go back to washing my hair more regularly. I don't want any buildup on my scalp because that will clog the pores over time, and I just like feeling fresh and clean. So I feel like the guy out there landscaping just looked in my window. Not feeling that. I've learned that you should really be massaging your scalp frequently, multiple times a week with oil. It helps with hair growth because it stimulates blood flow, and then also the oils have nutrients in them that get absorbed into your scalp. The first time I tried this, coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil. I put the castor oil and the olive oil on my scalp. Within the hour, my scalp started itching and I got these sharp pains. Castor oil is really thick, and I think it started clogging my pores. I subsequently rubbed peppermint oil on it. It kind of gave it a cooling, mentholated effect. Since then, I've modified it, and I don't put the castor oil on my scalp. I only put the castor oil on my strands. What I did the night before I did the pre-poo this week, massaged extra virgin olive oil and peppermint oil onto my scalp, and the peppermint oil is tingly and it feels really nice. The only thing I don't like about putting olive oil in my hair is it makes me smell like someone's cooking something, like you just greased a pan. That's what people use olive oil for. I don't really dig that, but the peppermint oil gives it a really nice scent. Olive oil doesn't smell bad. I just associate it with cooking greasy food, and so to me it's like weird. What it's done, oh my gosh. I thought my hair is so dry that even when I'd put water and product and try to like detangle her, it was still really hard to detangle, and it was really frustrating because I was losing a lot of hair, and so that deterred me from detangling frequently. So then what I would do is I'd wash my hair, I'd do wash and goes, and I wouldn't detangle my hair. And then what would happen is when I'd finally go to detangle my hair, it's in locks essentially because I waited so long to detangle my hair because I was anxious about losing a lot of hair. Now apparently you do lose 100 strands a day just from shedding naturally. It was just kind of like out of sight, out of mind. I'll deal with it when I deal with it, and then every time I deal with it, it was just that much harder. And so really what I want to be doing is doing my hair every few days, and so having a routine that allows me to do that with ease is really essential, and also it's essential for length retention. For this you'll need water, coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil. First I'm gonna spray my hair, smooth it down. It does better a little more than damp. Right now I'm just gonna take some coconut oil and smooth it through the hair. Because you called while the camera was rolling. Well, do you remember what you said? No! Gross. I don't have rats at the dinner table. I'm trying to measure my hair length. My hands have oil on them and measuring tape keeps slipping. It's 15.5 inches. The top of it is 16. Would look layered if I straightened it because the front part is only slightly longer than the back. Although I've discovered this new oil pre-poo, so I'm set for life. Pre-poo is like pre-shampoo. It's like what you do after you get out of the ocean. Yeah! So like, you know how when you go swimming in the ocean and then you put conditioner in your hair before you go home and wash it? That's essentially pre-poo, but there are products that are specifically labeled pre-poo, but I'm using oil instead. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't believe I didn't figure this out sooner. This would have saved so much of my hair. I'd have like at least 2 extra inches of hair right now if I had discovered this in the beginning of my hair journey, because I've lost so much hair trimming it or like ripping it out. It's better than buying a bunch of hair products that, okay, now if it doesn't work, what am I supposed to do with it? Whereas the oil, I could repurpose it for something else. Because that's where everyone wants to be, in a trash can. You had to bring me back. I forgot what we were talking about. Now I'm going to use this coconut oil hair mask by Soapbox. I just have my hair in twists still. It kind of looks like lard. I just want to saturate my hair while my hair is still damp. Oh, it's not a hair mask, it's a deep conditioner. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. Going to untwist. Oh my gosh, this takes so long. It looks and feels really moisturized. I've been using that deep conditioner for a while and it helps. It's never felt like this. Try to use this comb, but I can feel it's like tangled right here. Oh, that came out really easily, wow. So then I just do this, kind of pulling it apart gently. All right, now I'm gonna put this here. Cut this in half. Now you can see my armpit. Oh, you see all these? I think these are called fairy knots. That's why I have to keep it moisturized. See, it's already drying up. So juicy. I can't believe it took me 5 years to find this method. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. This is what, even this looks more moisturized than it used to, but still looks pretty dry compared to this. And this is with me putting the oil in. There's so much sheen to it. Oh my god. Detangler, shampoo, condition, deep condition, detangle again. Finally done. 5 hours. Sounds like a long time and it is, but it normally takes me 8 hours. I'm back. This is 2 days after recording the previous video. The night before last, I just had one bonnet on and I woke up to find a bunch of oil on my pillowcase, as to be expected. So last night I double wrapped my hair, first with the tank top and then with another bonnet. So I'm gonna take this off. Oh, I bobby pinned my hair for stretching. So now I'm going to massage my scalp with almond oil and peppermint oil. Flip my head upside down and smooth all of the twists. They're sticking out a little in some pieces. I wasn't being careful of how I was pulling my hair when I was twisting it. I might retwist that because it looks funny in the back. You know what? I'm just going to the store to get food, who cares? So then I just, another way I might do it is pull it out like that. And then wrap it around like that. And there it looks more full. And then I'll just bobby pin it down. When I twist it like that and then I pull it back, it kind of creates this. So I should have been twisting it back like that. Pin this down because nobody cares. These little strays, wet them, put them behind my ear. And then my kitchen, these little hairs here, detangle because they get knotted. They're really short. I usually just leave them out, or I could just pin them up if I really care, but I don't. So I have this black headband. I just do that, and that's it. So I think until further notice, I'm going to use the coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil as my detangler, my pre-poo, my leave-in, my everything. Because all of the strands are coated with oil, it's preventing them from wrapping around each other like they normally do. So this is the final look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Just to make sure you don't miss an upload, make sure to hit that notification bell below. See you next time. Aloha! Just to make sure you don't miss an upload, make sure to